Temba Mliswa has officially crossed the line from political commentator to cartel spokesperson. His desperate attacks on General Chwenga are not just laughable, they are revealing. Zalabina mashoko buda panguwa ino anachita aiwa zvaitwa naTemba Mliswa panguwa ino aiwa achazoregreta zvake pamberi apo. Panguwa ino kuchonekwa kunzi achizama kumira kuda kudonhedza VP Kosa nochwenga nokuda kwemari. Panguwa ino vanhu they are warning him. Zalabina mashoko buda nyuko panguwa ino wa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panguwa ino popular options. The louder Mliswa screams, the clearer it becomes he is rattled. And why? Because General Chwenga dared to name names. He exposed the road. He disrupted the feeding trough. Mliswa's smear campaign is not a crusade for truth. It's a panic response from someone whose handlers are watching their empire or dynasty tremble. This is a certain obsession with General Chwenga reeks of fear, not principle. You don't go from praising a man, say integrity, to accusing him of looting unless you've been bought or cornered. Let's not forget, this is the same Mliswa who was exposed by Susan Mutami for his shady dealings, spiritual desperation, gauge and moral bankruptcy. The man who couldn't even own up to fathering children is now pretending to be the moral compass of Zimbabwe. Hands off General Chwenga. The people are awake. The smear campaign has failed. General Chwenga is not just surviving, he is ascending, and every attack from Mliswa only fuels the fire that will burn through the corruption choking this nation. Ndoma shukarubuda panguwa ire vanhu vachipa maoni kunana Mliswa vachiti aiwa zvamuri kuita zvitiri kutozviona isusu citizens. It's not like we are blind, it's not like we are deaf. Tinotoona, tinotonzwa, and zvatiri kutoona izvi tinoona kuti aringori masmear attacks efear yamunayo kana kuti we are just cornered. Makuya panguwa ino muchiataka VP Konza nochwenga, but we know the truth. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section mendudza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.